Hey guys, how you doing? It's that time of year again. All the mulberries are starting to ripen, and the early bird gets the fresh one off the tree. So I'm out here this morning picking all these mulberries because these trees are loaded this year. That's what I got in the first 5 minutes. Just picking right here off this white mulberry. But as you can see, white mulberries got literally thousands of them this year. They're just, every branch is just loaded all the way up. So I don't have ladders big enough to get all those, so the birds are going to be eating those. But everything down here within a 6-foot ladder reach I can get. And then over there is the everbearing. Those are tinier but sweeter. Those are good for the jam. And of course I showed you in the very beginning the Pakistani mulberries with the finger long. That one's loaded this year, but this tree is like 30 feet this year. So I'll get all the lower branch ones. And I gotta get in the chicken run here. Yep, getting the chicken run to see the everbearing. See, they're a lot tinier, but they're loaded. When they get ripened, they're not too bad as far as size. But like I said, they're a lot sweeter. So I collect all I can, bake my jam. But look at these trees. Lots of red, white, and purple ones. And the birds are starting to get the ones up in top. Hanging in my neighbor's yard, so I'm gonna have to tell my neighbors, bring your kids over and get purple fingers. Walking through the jungle of mulberries. Look at that. I bet you the chickens could probably hop up and grab these. But they said, why? They're falling down. We're full. Good problem to have this year. Have a good day, guys.